takes you from the Mexico City street to the Aztec Stadium's cheers. This is a holiday built by CRRC, made it only for Mexico City right from the start. 13 kilometers, 18 stations. It's not just for fans tending to the game. It's for the thousands of locals who take it every single day. Say goodbye to traffic jams. This runs quiet and turns over time. Built for Mexico City streets, keeping the local vibes alive. 2,240 meters, intense UV, wide temperature variations. We built this train to take it on. Every details designed for you. Quiet comfort and easy access, and care for all passengers.
Tiene mucha tecnología, está muy avanzado, pues ya esté magnífico.
Muy bonito, muy bonito, me gustó mucho. Fue para mí una experiencia súper padre, muy cómodo, muy seguro.
La verdad es que sí, me siento muy seguro. Tecnología, la verdad, mucha confianza en ellos. Lo recomendaría al 100%.
See you at the game for the love of football. Let's go!